In this moment I open new LCD. This is, I show you, this is new LCD box. This is original LCD from Samsung. Okay, safety cover is plastic. It's look good. It's look good. Okay. So I have to assemble all thing there to here. Okay, there to here. So it's good. This is original LCD. Okay. Okay, this look nice. This look nice. Beautiful. Okay, keep it here. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Done. Okay. Easy, very easy to remove this battery shell. Very easy to remove battery shell. Okay. So I have to keep hit again. This LCD I have to open, and this side open is little difficult, so I have to hit properly this side. Okay, I have to keep hit again for open this side. Is most expensive LCD. Okay, this is good LCD. So yes, make it properly, and now I fix this everything. One side I have to assemble, for another side I do later. Okay, fix properly. This screw. Fix connector properly. Now I fix this screw, and I have to fix properly this buzzer. Okay, so this black is here. I remember this screw. Black is another here, and the small one.
Boh, mi sa che l'hanno trovato sul banco stamattina.
That jet fold is
Sì, bravo.
done. Okay,
Che cosa?
jet fold is done. Now I doing jet flip.
Va bene.
Okay,
Bravo Rascio. Così mi sei piaciuto.
see,
Bravo.
fix this thing. Before 10 minutes I fix another jet fold phone. Not 10 minutes, around 20 minutes before this one. Okay, but I forget to make a video the telephone. Actually we repair so many phone in the day, but I think it's not important to make all phone videos. Normally nowadays I don't make video like iPhone series, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, is iPhone, even iPhone 14 also, 14 plus, 14 Pro Max. I don't make video. Okay, because that is old for me. Today I fix around 6 phone. Now is a 5:30. Okay, so every day I fix minimum 6 to 8 phone minimum every day. I don't make video all phones. When I feel I make video, then I make. So this telephone, if you fix LCD first time, you have to be careful some part. Okay, mainly LCD and NFC connector, battery connector, and see, I look is fixed not properly. This now good, now look good. Yes, now look good. NFC will be here. Is perfect. Is here. Yes. Now is good. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Okay. I have to open the telephone LCD. Ooh, this is too hot, baby. It's too hot. Yes. Where is my plastic? This one. Okay. I make this plastic by water bottle. I cut some water bottle, mineral water bottle, and make small piece. Okay, and I use here. Okay, it's very thin and very good for my job. Okay, so you can also make this thing from water bottle. Ooh, it's too hot. It's look nice. Just a minute. Be careful this ribbon. Okay, shitty gloves look bad. Okay, I don't know you guys can see or not. I think I have to make little of video. Okay, now can see. Sorry bro, actually sorry to say I am not professional video maker. I just make fun, that's why I make video. Okay, I am not a YouTuber professional make video maker thing. I am just you can see my video is only 2-3 video I upload. Okay, it's the beginning, so I know my video quality is not so good, sound is not so good, and everything is not perfect, but make sure my job was perfect. I can sacrifice everything, video or edit or anything, but I don't want sacrifice my job. My job will be 100% perfect. Is my first task, so my first priority is job is perfect, not video perfect. It's still so hot. Is logic board will remove. Now I have to remove this battery. Now is telephone is still hot, so I can remove easily with this battery. Easy for me. Just give some liquid in the back side.
Antonio, fai una scheda alla ragazza di ipotesi per la stampante.
Wow.
Ciao cara. La lascia, cerca un'alimentazione.
Oh. Wow, it's good, baby. Just I have to remove this camera glue. Okay. Side glue. I have to cut the side glue. Some telephone model they give LCD with the camera, some for not, but be careful this when you remove this glue, be careful. Okay, don't try to broke this camera ribbon. Very be careful, be sincere. Okay, one time I broke this camera ribbon before, and that was a make little problem for me. Then I buy another camera. So as you can see, this is all LCD is going to thrust box. Make sure they have one magnet. That magnet, if you don't fix this magnet properly, here not working nice. This magnet is here. Okay. Again notice this side. Okay, when you fix this display, you have to be careful some specific part like this camera and this folder magnet and NFC paper and screw. Okay, don't mix screw. Okay, so still this one have glue, very nice. Okay, so I don't fix any other glue, extra glue. That's why I the job you can do if you have basic knowledge. This is basic job, not so advanced level job. Okay, this be careful when you fix this connector, don't break this connector. Okay, very
Di
soft.
luglio, Rashu, di 14 Pro Max.
Is done. 14 Pro Max is done.
Bravo.
Okay, so just 1 hour before I fix 14 Pro Max also, but I don't make video. Before I was tell you is not special for me, is that iPhone model. Now if iPhone 15, 16, 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, that was a okay, good for make video, but other model I think is now very old.
Andato via alle 5.
Ciao Doug. Doug. Before fix this thing, you have to check properly all connection. Okay, this side don't have any hesitation for this screw, because screw is almost same. Okay, only one screw different is here, others all is same. Yes, they have heavy magnet. Ooh. Magnet try to eating my screw. This small screw is here. Okay, no, this small screw is here. Okay, babe, what's up? I done. It's done. Now I fix this LCD. Okay. It's done. Almost done. I have to fix this only, and then later I fix the glue. Now I going to check. Okay, so this telephone is almost done. Just I have to fix this thing by glue. Okay, for now test time. Excuse me, this is not yet fixed by glue, so now test time. Yes, you can see, guys. It's look good. It's look good. Two is working, both are working. Here to here. Wait, I fix it later. Okay. A cute baby. Okay, so this one, wow, it's good, baby. It's working. Okay, that's great. Okay, so you can see, guys, it's working perfectly and everything is fine. So I'm going to close this LCD by glue and stop this video. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, very little glue I have to fix, not so much. Is best glue. Okay, Relife best band. Okay, bye, tata.